Welcome back to Random Rides. On this channel, we celebrate the incredible creativity and dedication of vehicle owners. Each weekly episode pulls back the curtain on the unique modifications, thoughtful additions, and standout features that transform a car, motorbike, or any ride into a true reflection of its owner's personality. In this week's video, episode 3, we're trading 4 legs for 4 wheels, but keeping all the horsepower. Prepare to meet a legendary beast, the Ford Mustang. Discover what makes this particular ride so exceptional. The first thing that caught my eye was the glossy red paint and black racing stripes. However, what really got my attention was this car's registration plate, Gallop, reflecting full speed and horsepower. It's an excellent addition to the heritage of this thoroughbred stallion, the Ford Mustang. The rear bumper valance and side skirts draw your attention to the gorgeous wheels, both front and rear, that perfectly fill and fit the wheel arch wells. Speaking to the owner, who had brought the car in to do a service, you could tell immediately that he had a passion for his ride. Samples of the old oil were to be taken and sent off for oil analysis. Proper engine forensics. This is what Random Rides is all about. The love and passion of your pride and joy. For lovers and dreamers out there, this should absolutely inspire you. The owner's last car was a 1-liter Ford Fiesta, and he moved up straight into this 5-liter, monstrous V8-powered Ford Mustang. I say, more power to him. With undercar preparation completed, the car ramp is lowered for engine bay access. This view reveals a satisfyingly large rear wing the owner has custom added. The interior is covered in soft black leather, and as we approach the front, we witness the change of juice, fresh lubricating synthetic engine oil. The Ford Mustang is a true American muscle car with impressive performance. The engine is a petrol-powered 5-liter, naturally aspirated V8 with twin independent variable camshaft timing. Horsepower typically ranges from 400 to 500 HP. Torque is generally between 390 pounds-feet to 420 pounds-feet. 0 to 60 is in the 4 to 5 second range, and the top speed is electronically limited to 155 miles per hour. The engine is usually coupled to a standard 6-speed manual transmission, but there is a 10-speed automatic option with paddle shifters. The length of the car is around 5 meters. Width is approximately 2 meters. Height, roughly 1.4 meters. Wheelbase around 3 meters. Head to curb. Weight, typically about 1,600 kilograms, 3,600 pounds. The Ford Mustang has SA eating capacity for 4 2-doors. A rear-wheel drivetrain, and the boot luggage capacity is around 400 liters. Hope you have enjoyed this video, where I have showcased the random things an owner has done to their ride, a 5-liter Ford Mustang GT, aka the Stallion. In the next episode, I will be visiting on request a channel viewer where I will showcase the random things they have done to their ride. With all YouTube channels and videos, please like and subscribe. Click the notification icon, leave your comments, and I will be counting on you all to grow this channel.